How to add third-party camera to your Reolink NVR here on your device. Step-by-step guide in this video. To simply do this, step 1 is confirm compatibility. Your third-party camera must support ONVIF, preferably 2.1 or higher. Camera should support H.264 video encoding and some features like PTZ, motion detection, or many more. Connect both devices to the same network. Plug both third-party IP camera and Reolink NVR into the same local network. Do not plug the camera directly into a port on the Reolink NVR. Now access the Reolink NVR interface. You can do this directly with the monitor plus mouse or via the Reolink client app from PC or Mac. Navigate to menu, IP channel, add device and device search. Manually add the third-party camera. From there, click add device or add manually. Enter the IP address of the third-party camera. Protocol select ONVIF, port usually 8000 or 554. Username and password of the third-party cam. Click add or OK to save it. Step 5 will be check the live view. If successful, you will see the video from the camera on the NVR itself after it's successful. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.